Finally, Amazon responds to the seller's reaction to the Amazon low inventory level fee. As you know, in December 2023, Amazon announced that they are going to implement a low inventory fee on Amazon FBA. The seller's reaction to this news was unsatisfactory. And it's been a great debate since then. Taking feedback from sellers, now Amazon brings some changes in low inventory level fee. What are the changes? It's going to be beneficial for the sellers or not. In this video, we are going to discuss the new changes Amazon made and try to find out if it is good for sellers or not. Let's get started. First of all, you can find the news simply on Amazon Seller Central. Also, I'm going to share this link in the description section. By the way, we already made a video on the whole thing. So you can check it out for understanding the whole fact. Okay, if I show you, so on the recent update says Amazon is extending the transition period to May 14th. That means now we have an extra 2 weeks without a fee. Alright, that seems good cause in this extra 2 weeks, fees could be $100 for some of the accounts. But ultimately, Amazon is gonna charge you. Let's read further. Okay, it says by May 31st, you will be credited back for any low inventory level fees incurred between April 1st and May 14th. Well, for the sellers who already give the fee, have some hope now. Though they are saying that they are extending so that sellers can achieve healthy inventory levels and avoid this fee entirely. But basically, Amazon is getting strict by applying new rules to the sellers and finding every possible way to drain sellers' money. Business on Amazon has become tough now. If they are setting any rules, this is definitely going to hurt the seller. However, besides that, they make some additional changes that are designed to better target these low inventory level fees to where sellers have the most control to ensure healthy inventory. So basically they came up with 3 additional changes. Here you can see. The first one is basically seasonal products and end-of-life essence. The end-of-life products are products that are no longer being produced or supported by the manufacturer, like old model smartphones or computers. Seasonal products are products that are specifically designed, marked and sold for a particular season or time of the year. For instance, like Halloween costumes, Christmas ornaments and gifts. Well, a lot of sellers asked what about end-of-life products and the seasonal products? Do we have to give fees for this? And now Amazon clarify that. Sellers do not have to pay for the seasonal products and for the end-of-life products. Here it says that because of the greater unpredictability in managing inventory level for seasonal end-of-life, low inventory level will not apply to products that have sold less than 20 units in the past 7 days. Well, this is not that much of a good news for the sellers, by the way, but at least something is better than nothing. So, if your seasonal products only sold 20 units in a month, you are safe. Make sure that you are not selling 21 units a month accidentally. The second big update is, I am directly quoting this from here, low inventory level fees incurred due to excessive inbounding and processing times caused by Amazon or Amazon managed services will be credited back to you by the 15th day of the following month. This is a good news indeed, that Amazon will not charge you if they mess up on late checking or excessive inbound handling. And also they are going to credit back that fee that they already charged for excessive inbound handling. In my opinion, they are still going to mess up on late checking or excessive inbound for sure. And maybe they will charge you for that. And you have to fight to get the money back. And the third update is, it is about the Prime Days. Prime Days are important for sellers because it drives more sales during Prime Days. So what Amazon will do is, they are going to give a time bound for those Prime Days. Because during Prime Days, inventory level become much more unpredictable. They says that we will provide a time-bound exception on low inventory level fees for products that are included in Prime exclusive Lightning deals and Best deals. The fee exception will apply for the weeks following Prime Day when inventory level may be more unpredictable based on Prime Day sales. So, basically Amazon will not charge you a low-level inventory fee if you have a Lightning deal or Base deal during Prime Day. During Prime Day, both Base deals and Lightning deals can provide significant saving on a variety of products, including electronics, home goods, fashion item, and more. And in that time, customer demand are at the peak. So, storing and supplying the product can be crucial. At that time, inventory level becomes more unpredictable and Amazon now will not charge you for that. Now, the low inventory level fees is actually a headache for sellers. From now on, sellers have to be more conscious about the fees and always have to be aware to calculate the inventory. Amazon always have a soft corner for the customers, which is good. No doubt in that. But when it's come to sellers, Amazon is getting harder day by day, setting new rules and regulation for new sellers that are becoming a headache. And making a profit is now getting hard with all these extra fees that Amazon charges. So you see, Amazon is constantly updating its platform and sellers need to keep up with these changes. However, it is important to remember that Amazon is not your friend. Amazon's mission statement is to help customers. The seller are not Amazon's customers, and our mission statement is to help sellers. We want to be the most seller-centric company in the world to help Amazon seller do better on Amazon, which is why we give out all our content for free. If you want to hire us to help you, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have been managing more than thousands of Amazon Choice and bestseller rank products. Moreover, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping businesses all over the world. We would love to help and work with you as well. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.